In this video, you'll learn how to sell USDT on Trust Wallet. This guide will walk you through each step of the process to ensure a smooth transaction. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google. This is where you will search for the Trust Wallet extension. Once the page loads, type in Trust Wallet in the search bar and press enter. This will display a list of relevant results. Next, locate the Trust Wallet extension in the search results. Click on the link that leads to the Trust Wallet extension page. When the extension page appears, look for the option to add it to your browser. Click on the button labeled Add to Browser to initiate the installation process. After the extension is added, you will see the Trust Wallet icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on this icon to open the Trust Wallet interface. If this is your first time using Trust Wallet, you may need to sign in or create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Once you are logged in, find and click on the option labeled Sell within the Trust Wallet interface. This action will direct you to the selling options available for your cryptocurrencies. After this selection, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies that you can sell. Next, click on the option that says Choose a Crypto. This will open a new interface where you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. To find USDT, click on the search bar that appears, type in USDT to filter the results. Once you see USDT in the search results, select it. This will bring you to the sell options for USDT. Here, you will be prompted to enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell. Make sure to check your available balance before entering an amount, as selling more than you own will not be possible. After entering the desired amount, click on the button labeled Continue. This action will take you to a confirmation screen where you can review the details of your transaction. Ensure that everything appears correct before proceeding. Finally, once you confirm the transaction, the sale will be processed. Depending on the network conditions and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. You will receive a notification once the transaction is complete, confirming that your USDT has been successfully sold. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.